Hello, welcome to the demonstration of the iDelegate task tracking system. To access the task tracking system, you'd need an internet connected web browser. Just go in and type the URL www.iDelegate.biz. You will be presented with a screen such as this one, where you have two buttons, the login button and the free register button. The free register button would allow you to create a create an account for free, where you can start using the task tracking system. Since you have already an account registered with the task tracking system, just go into login and submit your credentials. Your username is your email, and then your password. Once you hit the login button, it will take you to your task dashboard. Now, in this case, the task dashboard is empty. That is because this is a demo company and I have not created any tasks. You can create a task, you can give a task to an outsider, somebody in your company, or to your own self. When you give a task to your own self, it kind of acts as a reminder, a to-do list. Let's see how to create a task. You create a task by clicking on the Create New Task button and then giving a task name. Let me give a task name, let's say Test Task 1, and then a description. This is a task to demonstrate iDelegate. You'll notice that in the description you have the option of having rich text. You can have your bold-faced, your all this, and then you give the task, the start date of the task to be assigned. Let me just choose the 1st of May and the end date as the 31st of May. You have the option of making this a one-time task or a recurrent task. If you move this slide over here, you can choose whether you want this task to be repeated weekly, monthly, or yearly. For the time being, I'll just make it a one time. You have the option of assigning this task to an outsider. You do that by typing in his or her name. Let's say something like this. Okay. And or you have the option of choosing one of your employees. For the time being, I will choose Mr. John Paul. Let me delete this. You have the system will allow you to attach a file to the task. This could be something like a picture of something that you need the task key to do, or a worksheet, or anything digital. You can attach it here. For the time being, I'll just hit the create task and finish the task creation. Once this task has been created, it would be in the delegated tasks, and here you will see that the task is yet to be started. It has this particular icon. That means it's in a dormant state, and it has 36 more days remaining. It has been given by Jack Smith to John Paul. Let's see what happens when John Paul accepts this task. When John Paul accepts this task, the Z here turns into a green clock. That means the task has been accepted and is on its way to being completed. That is how you give a task.